In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete project from Google Cloud Console. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect during the shutdown process so you can confidently remove a project you no longer need. First, open the Google Cloud Console and switch into the project you want to remove. Make sure you're looking at the correct project, especially if you manage multiple environments like development, staging, or production. You'll typically see the active project name at the top of the page. Confirm it before you proceed. Next, open the main navigation by clicking the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the console. This reveals all the sections you'll need. Hover your cursor over IAM and Admin to expand its options. From there, select Manage Resources. This takes you to the Resource Manager view where all your projects are listed. In the Manage Resources page, locate the project you intend to delete. If the list is long, use the search bar or filter by organization or folder to find it quickly. Double-check the project name and, importantly, the project ID, because the ID is what you'll use to confirm deletion later. To the right of the project entry, click the three-dot Actions menu. In that menu, choose Delete. A confirmation panel will appear prompting you to type the project ID. Carefully type the exact project ID shown in the prompt. This safeguard helps prevent accidental deletions. After entering the ID, you'll see the option to proceed. If the console displays shut down anyway, it means the project still has active resources, services, or billing links. Clicking Shut Down Anyway will schedule the project for deletion and begin shutting down resources tied to it. Keep in mind you'll need the appropriate permissions, such as a role with project deletion rights, to complete this action. A few important notes as you wrap up. Deleting a project schedules it for shutdown. Many accounts have a short recovery window during which you may be able to restore the project from the same Manage Resources page if you act quickly. However, once the window passes, the deletion is permanent. Before you delete, make sure you've exported any required data, downloaded logs or backups, and confirm there are no critical services depending on this project. If you run into permission errors, contact an administrator in your organization to grant the necessary role. And if billing is still attached, the shutdown process will handle it, but you can review billing accounts afterward to keep things tidy. That's it. You've successfully deleted a project from the Google Cloud Console.